beautiful waterfall. Really beautiful. A little breezy right this second. We're going to the other end here. The hatchery we worked at in there. Very beautiful here. There's another giant waterfall in there they call Hidden Falls. Not sure the name of that one. Then you got Barren Warm Springs around the corner as well. Very beautiful though. Very privileged to be here. I feel very privileged. Bit of a ride here. Stand by. Waterfall is beautiful.
Can you send me that?
Yeah. I see chemtrails up there. Stand by.